Let's explore what is included in the FRENZ brand box. 1 Type-C charging table. 1 screwdriver to adjust the size of the strap. 1 seal bag to contain the band. 2 user manuals. 1 FRENZ Brainband. For the best wearing experience, first you need to get used to the band's external details and primary functions. PPG sensor is used to measure heart rate and SpO2. 4 sensors on the forehead are used to collect brain waves, eye motions, and facial muscle motions, and the bone conduction speakers are functioned to transmit the sound from the app. The middle button is used to start the band. To turn off the band, press and hold the middle button for 5 seconds. The 2 buttons on the 2 sides are used to increase and decrease the volume. Press and hold the middle button for 3 seconds to switch the band to the connecting mode. Press the middle button 3 times to start a sleep session. Microphone for sound recording. Charging port to charge the battery before use. Plug the Type-C charger into the charging port. When the band is low on battery, the LED light will turn red. When fully charged, it will turn green. LED light with different colors to indicate different connection statuses of the band. Please note, the band needs to be fully charged before overnight use.